Today, we're gonna make some delicious, easy, cheesy garlic rolls in your trusty bread machine. We're starting with the liquids, and in this measuring cup, I have 1 large egg at room temperature that I've mixed up and then added enough water to reach the 1 cup mark. That's going in first. Next, we're adding oil, extra virgin olive oil for the flavor. Next is 1/3 cup of sugar. Sugar is gonna give these rolls a little sweetness and will help the yeast. Next, 1 teaspoon of table salt. Now, when you're making bread, you want to keep your salt separated from the yeast. So the next part is to put in the bread flour, 3½ cups of bread flour. Fluff your flour and level it off using a knife. After I add the flour, I like to just take my knife that I use to level the flour and spread the flour around so that it's just even in the pan of the bread machine. And then finally, we're adding the yeast. And I like to choose a yeast that's made for bread machines. It's a rapid rise yeast. It doesn't need any proofing. Just sprinkle that evenly across the top of the flour, and then we're ready to go. Close the lid to the machine, plug it in, select the dough cycle. It says it will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then hit start. The ingredients start to mix. We're going to let it do its magic, and then we'll come back to check to make sure that it has enough moisture in it. I'm ready to check. And this dough is a bit dry. It's winter time, and winter has less humidity in the flour. So I'm adding a tablespoon of warm water just to put a little more moisture into the pan. I'm chopping 3 very large cloves of garlic very finely. I have 3 tablespoons of butter melting in the microwave, and I'm going to mix this garlic with 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is going to be the topping for the rolls. I've also greased an 8x8 baking dish. You can use round, you can use square, whatever size suits your fancy. I'm removing the dough from and I've lightly floured my surface. I have oiled my hands with some olive oil, and now I'm going to cut the dough into 9 pieces. Once you have your dough cut into 9 pieces approximately equal in size, you want to fold them over so the top of each piece of the dough is smooth. And then I like to lay it on my countertop and give it a very light roll under my hand that is cupped, and that makes a nice shape for the roll. Then I'm going to dip the roll in the butter, then into the Parmesan and garlic mixture, and place it into the pan, and I'll be putting 3 to a row. So I have the rolls into the pan, 3 to a row. I do have a little bit more of the cheese and garlic mixture and the butter mixture left over. And so I'm going to drizzle that over the rolls. Want all this delicious yumminess to be absorbed by these delicious rolls. More Parmesan and garlic. Now we're going to cover the rolls and let them rise for about 1 hour or until they're double in size. After 1 hour, the rolls have doubled in size and we're ready to go into the oven. A 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. See what we've got, shall we? Look at the size of these babies. Beautiful. Beautiful.